Hey, hey! Quiz Diver is back! Time to challenge your ears! This is Guess the Smartphone by the Ringtone, the ultimate phone sound quiz challenge! You'll face 35 questions with just 10 seconds each. 1 point per correct answer. Simple rules, but not so easy to master. We've got a fun surprise for you. Some lucky players will be featured in our next video. So keep guessing, keep commenting, and stay in the game. No more waiting. Hit like, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Here comes the first ringtone. Listen closely. Wow, that sleek tone! Huawei! Any ideas from this tone? That's right! It's Samsung! Quick guess! What is it? Boom! Apple takes the spotlight! One phone doesn't belong. Can you catch it in time? Wahoo! That phone in the bottom row's the answer! Great catch! Big choice coming! Apple versus Samsung. Which side are you going with? Alright, time's up! Hit that subscribe if you're Team Apple! Smash that like if you're rocking with Samsung! Let's see which side wins! Only 10 seconds! Guess the smartphone! You got it! Oppo! Think fast! What's your call? Classic hit! That ringtone is Nokia! Yep, Xiaomi's the one! Focus up! Remember the position of these smartphones! Where is the Oppo smartphone? Number 4! Nice recall! That's Oppo! Next ringtone, stay sharp. Old school alert! BlackBerry shows up! Here comes another one! Ready? Nice one! It's Microsoft! Listen up! What do you hear?
Hello, Moto.
That sound belongs to Motorola!
Hello, Moto.
Can you catch this one? Crazy Frog's the answer! Look at both sides. Spot the three differences fast. All three spotted? Wow, sharp eyes! Beat the timer. What's your guess? That's Realme! Fresh tone! This one might trick you. Gabe the dog right there.
Life is good.
Bingo! That's none other than LG.
Life is good.
Focus! What is it?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
A cute twist here. Hello Kitty.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Stop it at just the right moment so everything fits perfectly. Can you nail it? Perfect match! That piece locks in flawlessly. Smooth move. Stay with the rhythm. Name the ringtone. Google Pixel's the right call. One more point up for grabs. Gaming vibes kicking in. Aces. Got it already? Say it! Classic phone it is! Keep going! Next sound! Right on! It's Sony Ericsson! Legendary! Two pieces are missing. Can you pick the right ones to complete the image? Nice! The correct pieces fit perfectly! Great thinking! Ready for another challenge? Solid guess! Lenovo in play! Hear this carefully. Any ideas? Intex. Well played. Nice catch! Micromax! Time is ticking. What is it? Simple but catchy, lava! Track the lava logo carefully. So, where is the lava logo now? A, B, or C? Here it is! Did you keep up? Let's keep it rolling! Amazing! Vivo all the way! Another one! Stay focused! You heard it right! HTC! Quick ears! Name this tone! Fast and clean! OnePlus takes it! Still got your streak alive? Infinix, no doubt! Almost there! Stay sharp! Honor's correct! Last ringtone. Give it your best shot. Final call. Type your answer in the comments. Who got it right? That was fast! Comment your score below. Let's find out who truly dominated. Maybe you're the one. Enjoy the challenge? Tap like and hit subscribe for more. Don't leave yet. Choose another quiz on your screen and jump right in. Bye!